Good morning, YouTube. Good morning. It's your boy Old School Car Fanatic. And getting ready to start the fiberglass on the headliner board. So I'm getting ready to mix up my fiberglass and my hardener, cut my strips, and we're gonna start reinforcing this headliner board. I don't know if you can see everything good. You know, that's the best I got for my camera mount. So if you're watching, it's your boy Old School Car Fanatic. Go ahead, hit that like and subscribe. Appreciate you. Alright, so here we go. Bondo fiberglass resin. So on the instructions it says mixing tips. It says mix as follows. Estimate amount of resin needed for surface fiberglass matte cloth ratio of 1 ounce of resin with 10 drops of hardener, or 6 tablespoons of resin with a 1/4 teaspoon of hardener. Make small batches at a time. Mix more as needed, using no more than a quart mixture per application. All right. So let's get started. Alright, so try to get me some strips cut. Bear with me, this is my first time doing this. So this fiberglass, they said it's a little messy. So I'm gonna cut me a strip of this, make me some cuts, lay it down. Then I'm gonna reinforce all them broken spots. Hope everybody having a blessed morning on this good old Friday morning. Hope everybody went out and voted. Flip this over. Alright, we're gonna start back here on this crack. Yep. First time doing this, so it is what it is. It's your boy Old School Car Fanatic. Ain't nothing like a challenge. first. So I mix my resin in my hardener, and I'm getting ready to apply it. Put a little bit underneath that part that I'm trying to harden up. Now I'm gonna just add it on the top. Yeah, this stuff gets kind of messy. I can see. There we go. I just saw a video on YouTube, and I'm just doing what I saw on YouTube. That's how I learned how to do a lot of different things on these projects. You know? Alright. So, well, that looks pretty good. I like that.
Just to listen to this shit, got a brand new Glock, Scotty Pippen in the clip, but I ain't Scotty Pippen, I be pippin' on the bitch, bitch, suck your ass, nigga, why you listen to the bitch, I be fucking with these hoes, and I'm flippin' with my clip, nigga, cuffin' on these hoes, and be kissin' on that bitch, I'm out here getting this shit, got a big old bag, like young and I'm rich, high tech, walk hard with my young and shit, better.
Yeah, I suggest you probably put some gloves on if you're doing that, get a little messy. I put that on God on my set of my bitch. On my set of my bitch, man. One wrong move, you get left in this bitch. And I put that on God on my set of my bitch. I just gotta get fried just to listen to this shit. Got a brand new Glock, Scotty Pippen in the clip. But I ain't Scotty Pippen, I be pippin' on the bitch. You just suck your ass, nigga, why you listen to the bitch? Slick flip the bitch, one in. I tell the bitch to swim, she gon' jump in. How you get the money, back to studio, way back then. How you do that? Call the box from the mail, man. Bitch eat me up and miss back, man. I'm in a race car, shit, the belly got room, I drop it like that, man. Bitch like my accent, tryna fuck again, see how I feel, she got her ass dead. I'm acting like it's real. You must say you some free codes, you tryna chill. Oh, shit, she told me she on demon time, I pop the pill. Run off with the drug, jack the club, call me chill. I ain't show no bitch, I need no love, that's how I feel. Fuck the bitch, blue hunters, they hit the spot on the blue. They tryna sit at the table, can't put a block on it. They gangsta shit, they turn niggas off, and these niggas not on it. Can't even think it, cost this shit, got on. You gotta get five just to listen to this shit. Got a brand new Glock, Scotty Pippen in the clip. But I ain't Scotty Pippen, I be pippin' on the bitch. Suck your ass, nigga, why you listen to the bitch? It's a little frustrating.